All right, check it. You went to law school, studied night and day, paid thousands in tuition, and finally earned that law degree. But you ain't an attorney yet. Nope. There's one final boss you gotta beat before you can rep people in court. It's called the bar exam. Now listen, this ain't just any test. The bar exam is what separates the lawyers from the licensed professionals, the attorneys. You don't pass it, you don't practice. Simple. So what's it really about? First off, what is the bar? The word bar refers to the legal profession itself. It's an old school term. Back in the day, the bar was the wooden railing in the courtroom that separated the public from the area where lawyers, judges, and the accused would sit. So when you pass the bar, you're basically being welcomed into that inner circle. What's on the exam? The bar exam tests you on everything you learned and everything they think you should have learned. It covers multiple areas of law: constitutional law, criminal law, contracts, property law, evidence, torts, civil procedure, business law, ethics. And that's not all. It's usually broken into 2 or 3 parts. 1. Multi-State Bar Exam, MBE. This is a 200-question multiple-choice test that takes all day. You reading real scenarios, breaking down issues, and choosing the best legal answer. It's like legal brain gymnastics. 2. Essays. These are state-specific. You might have to write legal arguments, analyze fake client cases, and apply state law. Some states want essays on local laws, and trust me, they ain't easy. 3. Performance tests. Some states also throw in a mock lawyering task, like writing a memo, a client letter, or a legal brief. They give you a fake case file and you gotta act like a real attorney. Show them you got the chops. How long is it? 2 or 3 days straight. No joke. You're sitting for 6-8 hours each day, locked in, no phones, no distractions. Just you, the law, and pressure. How hard is it? Hard. Very hard. Even smart people fail it on the first try. Some states are known for being brutal, like California and New York. They got low pass rates. You might see 40% or even lower in some years. So it's not just about being smart, it's about preparation, endurance, and focus. How much does it cost? It varies, but you're looking at application fees, $300 to $1,000, bar prep course, $2,000 to $5,000, travel lodging, if testing out of state, dollars. Altogether, it can cost close to $10,000 just to sit for the exam and prep properly. What happens after you pass? Once you pass the bar exam and the moral character check, meaning they make sure you ain't got serious crimes or shady stuff in your past, you get sworn in. You raise your hand, take the attorney's oath, and boom, you're officially licensed. You can practice law in that state. You now an attorney at law. Can you practice anywhere after passing? Not always. Law licenses are state-specific. So if you pass in Florida, you can't just pack up and start practicing in Texas or California. You either have to take the bar in that new state or get approved for reciprocity, if the states recognize each other's licenses. Final thoughts. The bar exam is the final test of whether you're ready to serve the people. It's tough, it's expensive, it's stressful, but it's necessary. It makes sure that when someone hires you to defend their freedom, their kids, their property, or their life, you know what the hell you're doing. So if you ever wonder why attorneys charge so much, remember, they earned that title in blood, sweat, Red Bull, and tears. This been another one by Kevin Spectaculus Brown, @Dem.